Hello and welcome back to David Explains. Today we'll be discussing the top 5 foods that have been found to be beneficial for lowering cholesterol. Cholesterol is a fatty substance that can build up in your blood vessels and increase your risk of heart disease. But by incorporating certain foods into your diet, you can take control of your cholesterol levels. In this video, we'll be sharing the top 5 foods that have been shown to have a positive effect on cholesterol. Number 1. Oatmeal. Oats contain a type of soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has been shown to lower LDL, or bad cholesterol. Beta-glucan works by binding to bile acids in the gut, which are made from cholesterol. This process reduces the amount of cholesterol that is absorbed into the bloodstream and also prompts the liver to use more cholesterol, which helps to lower your LDL. Oatmeal is also a whole grain food, which means it's a good source of other essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals. Including oatmeal in your diet can be beneficial in not only reducing cholesterol levels but also maintaining overall health. Number 2. Nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These nuts are high in unsaturated fats, which can help lower LDL cholesterol. Monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats are known as good fats, and they work by inhibiting the absorption of cholesterol in the gut, and also by decreasing the liver's production of LDL cholesterol. Almonds are a good source of essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and fiber. Walnuts, on the other hand, are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid which has been found to have a beneficial effect on cholesterol levels. Eating a handful of almonds or walnuts as a snack or adding them to your meals can be a great way to increase your intake of these healthy fats and help lower cholesterol levels. It's important to keep in mind that nuts are high in calories, so it is recommended to eat them in moderation. Number 3. Fish, specifically fatty fish like salmon and tuna. These types of fish are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which decrease the amount of triglycerides in the blood and also increase the level of HDL cholesterol, which helps to remove LDL cholesterol. Salmon and tuna are also rich in other essential nutrients such as protein, vitamin D and B12, and minerals like selenium and potassium. Eating fish at least twice a week can be a great way to increase your intake of omega-3 fatty acids and help lower cholesterol levels. It's also important to note that some fish, such as swordfish and mackerel, are high in mercury, so it's best to consume them in moderation or avoid them altogether. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are high in monounsaturated fats, which, as you know, can help lower LDL cholesterol. Avocados are also a rich source of potassium, a mineral that can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Avocados are also a good source of fiber, vitamin C, K, E, and B6, and minerals like copper and magnesium. Eating avocado as a spread on toast or adding it to salads, sandwiches, and other dishes can be a great way to increase your intake of monounsaturated fats and help lower cholesterol levels. It's important to keep in mind that avocados are also high in calories, so it is recommended to eat them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Number 5. Foods fortified with sterols and stanols. These are naturally occurring compounds found in plants that have a similar structure to cholesterol, but when consumed in sufficient amounts, they can help reduce the absorption of cholesterol from the gut into the bloodstream. These are foods such as some margarines, orange juice, and yogurt drinks. Consuming 2 grams of plant sterols or stanols per day as part of a healthy diet can help lower LDL cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. It's important to note that while consuming fortified foods can be a convenient way to increase your intake of sterols and stanols, it's also important to maintain a healthy diet and lifestyle, including regular physical activity and not smoking. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 foods that can help lower cholesterol. Be sure to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any significant changes to your diet. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.